Hey guys, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. Today I've got two fashion crafts to share with you. First, I'm going to show you how you can create some really cute custom shoes using your favorite fabric and Fabric Mod Podge. And then I'm going to upcycle a t-shirt and create a really fun upcycled little sling bag. All right, let's get crafty. I'm starting with 100% cotton fabric. You can pre-wash this. I like to use light colored shoes, but you can use dark colored shoes also. And then I'm going to use some wax paper and trace off the shape of my shoe to create a pattern. One thing to note is that you're going to have to do both sides. I'm just drawing along the stitching line. Then you're going to cut that out of the wax paper, and that will be your pattern for the fabric. Again, you're going to need a left and a right side of the shoe. They usually are different, but they look very similar. I usually mark on my pattern so I know which one is left and which one's right. For this, I'm using Fabric Mod Podge. This is very important. This is the fabric formula. It's going to allow you to stick fabric to fabric. So I'm just sticking that right onto the side of the shoe. I'm pressing with my fingers to smooth out any air bubbles or any wrinkles. And then you can go in and kind of press on the edges, trim up the edges. And now I'm going to let this dry for a good hour. And then I'm going to top coat it 3 times with more of the Fabric Mod Podge. The top coat is the Fabric Mod Podge formula, and I'm doing 3 top coats with a dry time of an hour in between each top coat, and that will really seal down that fabric and make it very weather friendly. I'm going to use that same Mod Podge to glue gems along the outer edge and all the way around the fabric on the shoe. These are some lightweight gems, so they're not adding a lot of bulk and weight. Look how sparkly. I love how it just adds a little pop. And I'm going to do a little bit there on the canvas at the end of the tongue and all around the edges. So adorable. All right, next let's work on that purse. Now the purse is a strawberry shortcake purse, and I am using a t-shirt. So you can use any fabric here, but I really love this design. I went ahead and made a pattern of the bag that I'm going to glue my t-shirt to. And you can pick up these bags at any craft store, and even big box stores have them. So this is a cotton one. I'm using the Fabric Mod Podge again, and you can see I just cut out the different shapes for my little purse here, and then I'm just gluing on the pieces of the t-shirt to the bag. Now for this, I'm not going to be doing a top coating because I'm not planning on washing this bag. I'm just doing this for fun, but this glue is very durable. Now I want to add some gems and bling out our design, and for this I'm just using some lightweight gems and Fabric Mod Podge to glue them down, and I'm just going over the designs that are already there and just kind of highlighting the cute little graphic. I'm going to let the gems and everything dry overnight, and then my purse will be all ready for my summer fashion wearing. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I'm Cathie, and I'm here each week with a new Mod Podge project to share with you. So that means I'll see you next week with another fun craft idea. Bye.